Good day mga kabayan techers! Welcome back again, and it's another Tuesday and we have a new fresh content. Today is replacing the iPhone XR cracked screen with the new screen.
Welcome. 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 Welcome.
Welcome back! So the things that we're going to need still prior. So ito po is medyo mas maikli po siya. The reason why for this is yung screen po ng iPhone XR, meron po siyang lip. Then we're going to use the pentalobe, Y screws, screwdriver, flat, black stick, and also the ESD13. So the screen that I have is still accessible at na-unlock ko po siya. So what I did is I transfer the True Tone using one of my JC V1S troubleshooting tips. So let's begin. Always wear an ESD strap. Okay, so let me just turn off the phone. Use the pentalobe to open it up. So let's do the heating part. Insert again our flat one. So kung ito po ang gagamitin natin at hindi nyo pa siya may pasok, you could use the other thin sheet screen plier para to make room. And then we could use that short one after. The reason why I'm not going to use this one and do the method of this, yun nga, yung lip ng screen medyo malalim, masisira po ito, magfo-fold po siya. Nag-create na po tayo ng space. Let us try to use the shorter one. And there we go. Nakapasok po siya. Okay? So, what we do is the same process. We do it this way and lift it and push it towards away from us. So, mangyayari po niyan, papasok po siya sa ilalim. Okay? And that's the reason why nagkakaganyan po yung dulo niya. We could do it the other way around. Make sure to just be careful on the sides on this one na hindi nyo siya magagasgas. And then, we lift it up this way. And then, mapapansin nyo po, aangat na po siya dito sa portion na to. So, you could insert a little bit more. So, papansin niyo nagki-create na siya ng clearance here. We use our pick to go in. And then, around lang po rin siya ulit. So, mapapansin niyo mas makapal po yung kanyang lip. So, ingat po dito sa portion na to. Nandito po yung mga cables. Makakarinig po kayo ng parang crunch or release ng clip. There you go. And that's the other one. So when we open it up, parehas pa rin po. It's like a book going to your right. So meron po tayo yung batteries underneath. And then we have to take this one para magkaroon lang tayo ng konting clearance sa cable para hindi natin siya ma-snap. We're going to use the Y000. Make sure to have your screws in order. And then what I do is I lift it from the back and then I twist my black stick and then tataas siya. There we go. So ingat lang po kasi baka mapati yung port, matamaan ninyo. Then we have the battery at the back portion. So again, we're going to use the Y. And the battery for the XR, it's the first one that you will see over here. Pointed stick lang for you to lift it up on one corner and there you go. We're going to transfer the earpiece and flood sensors. Ito po yun. Ingatan lang po natin to kasi once you break this one, yung Face ID po hindi na po siya gagana. Pag remove nitong cover na to, Y000 and also the screwdriver. So let me just remove the Y000. And then yung last one na nandito, hindi ko muna siya tatanggalin. Reason why for that is kasi po itong dalawang to, nakakabit po siya pa ng isang thin metal plate. So dalawa po ang screws natin dyan, ito po at ito. So ito, luluwagan ko lang siya ng konti. Okay? Kasi pag tinanggal ko siya full way, yung plate, madi-display siya. So, pati ito, luluwagan ko siya ng konti. Pag naluwagan ko na siya ng konti, yung dalawa, then that's the time that I'm going to remove the last Y screw. And then, I'm going to remove the smaller screw head I take out the last screw head. Ito po yung metal plate niya. So mapapansin nyo po, meron po siyang thin metal plate on top. So ito natatanggal yan, nadidetach, ibabalik nyo lang siya. And we take out the cable, this one. Take it out from the back, okay, that way, and then twist my black stick a little bit. And then there you go. Tanggalin muna natin yung mga adhesives. Okay, then afterwards, we get a Q-tip and then soak it onto the isopropyl alcohol and then i-dab po natin siya dito. Reason why we're doing this is to clean the surrounding where you're going to put the adhesive again para dumikit po siya properly. Be careful doon sa top part. We're going to put in the adhesive. What I have is the 3-layer one. I do it side to side and then I use the black stick to line up everything. Then I take out the second layer. Okay, and then mapapansin nyo, matitira na lang po is the third one. Okay. Wala na tayong papalitan ditong home button kasi wala naman tong home button. The first thing that we're going to do is to test it out. Ito muna ay kakabit natin. Ikabit na natin yung sa Face ID sensor. Okay, there we go. Okay. And then lift it a little bit, konting angle lang. And then ilalagay na natin yung battery and let's test it out before we close everything. Let's turn it on. Normally, pag sinabi niya na unable to activate Face ID, nasira nyo po yung cable or try to reset again the cables. And that's how you will know. Pero normally, pag ino-on nyo po itong phone, lalabas na po kagad siya as a prompt. So the things that we're going to do is going to put back all the covers of the cables. Shutdown ko lang po siya ulit. So ina-angle ko siya ng ganyan para mag-create tayo ng space sa ilalim. So yung battery cover po, then ilalagay ko po siya dito. Then I use a black stick to line up at least one of the hole. Then you will use the Y000. And then now you could lay it flat. Ilalagay na po natin. Kaya po natin inuna yung nasa ilalim. It's because pag inangle nyo yung cable, sometimes pag nilagay nyo na po ito, masisira yung cable. Papasok po siya dito and papatong po siya sa taas ng cable. So I'm going to hold the plate and then I'm going to put one here ng Y000 na screw para lang mapwesto natin yung plate natin. Then we'll do the top portion in here. Then yung dalawa po nating screw. So ang gagawin ko muna is ilalagay ko muna yung mas malaking part pero hindi ko siya fully tighten. The reason why kasi nga yung plate masyado siya manipis. Pag tinighten nyo na iikot siya, mapupunit po yung mismong plate. We're going to take out now the adhesives. You could use a black stick or you could use a tweezer. To close it up is we press the top corner. Mapapansin nyo, magkiklip siya. Pwede nyo na siyang i-on. And then what you do next is to press the lower half corner. And then mag-meet lang po kayo sa middle. So, test ulit po natin. Okay. And then wala tayong prompt for the Face ID, which is good. So we test the back and then the front. Okay. Setting, the display and brightness, and we do have the true tone. And then we do the security screws. And there you have it. So mga kabayan techers, thank you very much. And then again, just subscribe, click the like, and also the bell. So para malaman ninyo kung meron tayong bagong content. Again, this is your The Kabayan Tech. Thank you very much and have a good day.